Richtech Robotics has entered into a purchase agreement for a 20,000 square foot property in Las Vegas to expand its headquarters and increase manufacturing and assembly capacity by 400%. The new facility will also include a dedicated content creation studio and is expected to result in long-term cost savings compared to their previous rental arrangement. Additionally, the company signed a lease for a new office in Newark, California, where engineers trained at the Las Vegas headquarters will work on developing and deploying AI and robotics platforms. Intuitive Surgical reported strong first-quarter results, beating forecasts with revenue of $2.3 billion and EPS of $1.92, along with expected 15% annual revenue growth to the end of 2025 that aligns with its historical trend, compared to the broader industry's estimated 7.9% annual growth. SERV Robotics will report its first quarter 2025 financial results on Thursday, May 8th, after market close. The company will host a conference call and webcast to review the results on the same day. Company management will host a conference call at 5 p.m. ET. Likewise, Symbotic is set to release its earnings on May 7th. For more on Symbotic and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.